Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've already taken a live photo. Now open Photos and find it. Tap the live badge to confirm it's active, then swipe up to view effects. Once done, choose either loop, bounce, or long exposure. Loop and bounce retain motion for Instagram. Make sure live is converted to a video if required. Tap share and select save as video. This gives you a file Instagram can use as a story with motion preserved. Now that you have a video, open it and trim to the segment that best shows motion. Instagram story max is 15 seconds, so crop accordingly. If you prefer the loop or bounce vibe, confirm the effect before saving as video so motion loops naturally. Make sure resolution stays high and aspect ratio is 16:9 or vertical. Use crop to adjust. Once edited, save and tap share to send the finished clip to Instagram. Open Instagram, swipe right to the story camera, then swipe up to import your saved video. Position it, add stickers or music, and set display duration. Instagram will treat it as a video story so motion shows. Tap your story to publish. If the motion looks frozen, make sure you saved as a standard video and not a live photo file. If upload fails, reboot the app, check network, or re-export the video at a lower bitrate, then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.